are 55 plus. Of course, younger people who are with them and want to join and come and help out the elderly, we are welcome too. But the whole idea is that instead of sitting at home and spending long hours and being lonely, this place will allow you to chat with each other, will allow you to talk to each other, will allow you to have some games. I see carom boards, I see ludos, I see other things which are out over here, which you can play, and if you are really still very active, there's going to be table tennis table outside too. So I want to thank all those who have come in, but I also want all of you who are attending today to please emphasize, spread the word around. Nothing works unless and until you talk to people. So if you know a friend, pick up the phone, tell them that this is not a seminar. Actually, one person I met about thought it was a seminar, and I said, no, it's not a seminar. This is just an introduction and a sign up for people who are 55 plus, who instead of sitting home alone, could at least twice a month come to this place, meet each other, talk to each other, engage in some nice, some physical exercises too, and also be able to network and make friends. I don't have anything else to say except that, please keep the good work up. There will be a lot more people coming because I saw people walking out who actually needed to come here, but they didn't get the message right from the podium. It was a short, not intentional, but it was a short introduction saying, there's a program for 55 plus and nobody knows what program it is. People thought it was a seminar, and it's not a seminar. It is something for us to engage in and to be actively participating, so the retired people in our community especially do not feel isolated. I hand it over to my brother Dr. Aftab to say a few words also.
Assalamualaikum. I agree with Dr. Pervez and I welcome. It's a very happy day today because this program was in making for a long time, but for one reason or the other it was delayed. And we are all busy professionals, so naturally we depend on the volunteers. And once we got the right volunteer, thanks to Sister Nahid Hamadani, I knew the program will fly and be successful.
Yeah.
And now I see the majority of the people attending are ladies. That is another sign that it is going to be successful. Our elders, they have spent their lives sacrificing for the younger generation, and we need to take care of them as much as possible as we take care of the children. So, as you know, the elder person in the family is like a prophet for his community. Because of the elder person in the house, all the Allah's blessings come in that house. So, I'm very happy. Inshallah, it will be a very successful program. This is just a start. Any program that Masjid Ali has undertaken has always become successful because of the sincerity and hard work of our volunteers. अब आखिर में आपको जो है एक आध जोक सुनाता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि लेडीज हैं सब ज़्यादातर यहाँ पे। एक बस में जो है वो सारी लेडीज सफर कर रही थी और इत्तेफाक से उस बस का एक्सीडेंट हो गया और सारी औरतें अल्लाह को प्यारी हो गई। तो उनके सारे शौहर जो थे वो जाहिर सी बात है बहुत गमगीन हुए, रोते रहे। सारे शौहर 2 हफ्ते तक रोते रहे, मगर एक शौहर जो था वो 4 हफ्ते तक रोता रहा। तो उससे पूछा कि भाई जिनकी क्या नाम है बीवियां मरी हैं वो तो 2 हफ्ते में खामोश हो गए, तुम 4 हफ्ते तक क्यों रो रहे हो? कहते मैं इसलिए रो रहा हूँ कि उस बस में मेरी बीवी नहीं थी। ये कौन सी फ्राइडे की नमाज। एक साहब जो थे बहुत खुशी खुशी घर आए नमाज जुमा अटेंड करके मौलाना का खुतबा सुन के
ये बड़ा
और
असर
इतने
है
खुश
इस
थे
जॉब पे।
कि अपनी बेगम को गोद में उठा लिया। बेगम ने पूछा कि क्या बात है, तुम नमाज पढ़ने तो पहले भी गए थे, आज आखिर क्या था? कहा मौलाना ने आज खुतबे में बताया कि जो शख्स इस जिंदगी में अपनी तकलीफ को उठा लेगा वो जन्नत का हकदार होगा।